if P, Q, R and S are distinct single positive numbers. So distinct, that means they are different. Then single digit, so they are single digit positive numbers. Then what is the greatest value of P plus Q into R plus S? So we need to find out what is P plus Q into R plus S. So here we know that if the value of P, Q, R and S are greater, then the value of P plus Q into R plus will also be greater, right? So we need to look into those digits. So we know that they are single digits, right? So we need to take the largest digits. So we can take 9, 8, 7 and 6 because they are distinct. They cannot be the same number, right? So we can take 9, 8, 7 and 6. So just try different combinations here. So let's say P is 9 and Q is 8. So that will get 9 plus 8 into 7 plus 6. Or it can be like 9 plus 7 into 8 plus 6, right? Or it can be like 8 plus 7 into 9 plus 6, right? So this is 17 into 13, right? This is 16 into 14 and this is 15 into 50. So just check all these values. So if you do 17 into 13, you will get 221. If you do 15 into 15, you will get 225. And if you do 16 into 14, you will get 224. So out of this, 225 is the highest value. So the answer is option B, 225.